what is the main concern with this type of setup? Primarily, we're worried about wind, and I'll show you why. So this is the reason the risk for severe is heightened today over a normal summer day. I had a lot of people, always lament about, well, this is just summer. No, these aren't normal summer storms, people. This is a little different, okay? We've got a lot of wind energy in the mid levels of the atmosphere. So you see, this is the 700 millibar winds, what we call about 10,000 feet or 700 millibars. You see that little burst of wind there coming in this evening, and I'll highlight it. You see these heightened winds up around that 700 millibar level, so 10,000 feet. Those are really strong winds. And when you see that in the mid levels and you have dry air, you can mix down really strong winds. So that's why this setup is primarily a straight line wind event. This MCV, we call it, came out of Texas last night. It caused crazy wind there. I mean, they had 100-mile-an-hour gusts and widespread damage. Now, I'm not expecting anything like that, but that is the remnant of that same system that's going to be rotating through. And you can see as it moves off to the coast, look how the winds enhance in eastern North Carolina into early tomorrow morning. So that's why you see the risk of severe staying with us. Now, remember, typically in the summer, the jet stream starts to retreat back to the north, and we don't have these type of winds over us. We just have the typical pulse afternoon thunderstorms. That's more typical of the summer. Having the jet stream dip like that briefly, that creates more wind energy than we normally have in the summertime. So the main concern is going to be those straight line winds. So just to recap, again, there's a risk for strong to severe storms mainly this evening